Welcome to Spend.Shop. Before you can start shopping with crypto, you'll need a Solana wallet. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through setting up a Phantom wallet. It's simple, secure, and takes less than 5 minutes. Think of a crypto wallet like a digital wallet that stores your cryptocurrency. It's not just for storing money though. Your wallet is also your identity in the crypto world, allowing you to connect to websites like Spend. First, we'll need to install the Phantom wallet extension. Open your browser and search for Phantom wallet extension. Then you're going to choose the browser which you're using. In this case, I'm using Brave. So we're going to click, and now we're going to add to Brave. We're going to go ahead and add this extension. Make sure you're on the legit Phantom website to avoid scams. Now, let's create your new wallet. Here you're going to have two options, one to continue with email or to create a seed phrase wallet. I'm always going to recommend the seed phrase wallet because that's the most secure. Here you'll want to create your password. Agree to the terms of service. Now this is going to be the most important part. You're going to want to write down your 12-word seed phrase and store it in a secure place. If you ever lose access to your wallet, this is going to be the only way that you can access your wallet again. And make sure that no one has access to this, because anyone that has access to these 12 words has access to your wallet. And boom, now your wallet is set up. You'll need some Solana to pay for transactions. In Phantom, you can click on the buy option. You can click on Solana. You'll put the amount that you want to purchase. And then you can use credit or debit card to purchase some Solana, and it'll be sent to your wallet. That's it. You now have a Phantom wallet ready to connect to your Spend.Shop. In our next video, we'll show you how to use this wallet to create an account on Spend and get your beta access NFT. Thanks for watching.